To create one's own world takes courage. Artist Georgia O'Keeffe. Hi everyone, it's Amber and welcome to Amber Goodwin Art. Today I wanted to share 3 sets of quads that I did, meaning 4 paintings that I did on 8x8 inch Vinci Pro Panels that are ultra smooth. These ultra smooth wood panels are available at Jerry's Artarama, and they are super smooth and perfect for acrylic pouring, especially when you want to resin them, which I did. I decided to use colors from the rainbow as my base. And first up are my warm colors. I am using Amsterdam Permanent Red Violet, followed by Amsterdam Pyrrole Red. And I also decided to use Amsterdam Vermilion, which is a very beautiful deep orange color. And I'm also using Amsterdam Azo Yellow Deep, and these will be all my colors for my warm color palette. I decided to use golden teal as a unifying factor for all the panels, so you will see this in all of the paintings. And of course, I had to incorporate my favorite golden interference paints. So here is golden interference gold, and I also will be using Tri-Art interference orange, which you have right here. I haven't used a lot of Tri-Art interference, but the orange that I have used is amazing. I am also using some golden interference violet, which I had mixed up from a previous painting session. And now I will let y'all enjoy the rest of the process. But before we leave, I will be using my hair dryer, but I also have some palette knives to spread that cell activator that I will be using out. And I am using Tri-Art Deep Gold as my cell activator. Now I will let y'all enjoy the rest of the process, and I will be back with the wet results. Here are the wet results of all of the paintings from the warm color palette set. I love how the cells turned out. They are just so amazing, and I love the lacing. The orange one has to be my favorite. I love how teal is unifying all of the panels together. And my pouring medium that I used is Floetrol and Creative Inspirations Gloss Medium. I learned this from taking Molly Artistry's Smart Art Swipe Technique course, and I will have that information linked down below. So definitely go check out Smart Art courses, and you can use my coupon Amber20 to save $20 off of Molly's Swipe course. I will have the details linked down below. Up next is my cool color palette where I incorporated purples and blues and teals. Again, I am using the Vinci Ultra Smooth Pro Panels, available at Jerry's. I buy these in bulk because you save some money when you buy them in bulk. So I will have the link down below in the description box along with all the colors. Again, the unifying factor in this panel set will be golden teal and golden interference green and blue. Here are my colors for my bases. I am using Liquitex Brilliant Purple. This is a really pretty powdery purple, followed by Amsterdam Blue Violet. This is a transparent, but it is pretty dark. I also used Amsterdam Cobalt Blue. I absolutely love this color. It is such a beautiful blue color, followed by Tri-Art Phthalo Turquoise Light, which is again one of my favorite colors. I will be using my Tri-Art Gold Cell Activator, and next I will let y'all enjoy the rest of the process, and I will be back with the wet results. Here are the wet results from my cool color palette utilizing purples and blues. I absolutely love the lacing from the Tri-Art Gold Cell Activator, and I love how the golden teal and the golden interference paints are a huge unifying factor between these four panels. I absolutely loved the Amsterdam Cobalt Blue base, which is right here, and just check out the lacing from the Tri-Art Gold. In this set, I really loved the Cobalt Blue base along with the Tri-Art Phthalo Turquoise Light base. Absolutely love this. Up next will be another cool palette that I did, which will incorporate greens and turquoises. Last but not least, here is my green cool color palette. Again, I am using my 8x8 inch Da Vinci Ultra Smooth Pro Panels, available at Jerry's Artarama. And again, golden teal and the golden interference paints are a unifying factor in this quad set again. And it goes really well with the other two sets. The colors that I am using is Amsterdam Turquoise Blue. I have mixed it with a little bit of titanium white to lighten it up. And then I am also using Amsterdam Yellowish Green. I've never used this as a base and it turned out amazing. My other greens that I'm using is Amsterdam Brilliant Green, again a very pretty green, followed by Amsterdam Permanent Green Light. Up next are my Golden Interference paints that I will be using in this set, and I'm using Golden Interference Green. Now, the Golden Interference paints I'm using are fluids, and I have Golden Interference Blue and Golden Interference Violet. And next, I'll let y'all enjoy the rest of the process. Here are the wet results of my green cool color palette. Again, the Tri-Art Gold Cell Activator just gave amazing lacing. I absolutely love the Tri-Art Gold, and it's like a main staple in my art. And here is the Amsterdam yellowish green that I used. I was not expecting this to be so beautiful. I cannot wait to use more of this color as a base more often. And then here is Amsterdam Brilliant Green, again super pretty, and these looked amazing when I resined them. I will have the resined results up next. And last but not least is my Amsterdam Permanent Green Light. This one was a little bit different. I wasn't really happy with this one, but it turned out okay. And up next, I will have the dried resined results. Here are the dried resined results of my 3 sets of quads. I used Mixed Media Girl resin. It's absolutely phenomenal. I will have her channel and website linked down below, so definitely go check that out. She has tons of other acrylic pouring supplies and materials. And I love how the resin makes the Golden Interference and the Tri-Art Interference paints really shine and pop. And I love how the golden teal gives a very uniform effect on all of the paintings. I created these paintings by using Molly Artistry's swipe technique recipe that I learned by taking her swipe technique smart art course. You can save $20 by using my coupon code Amber20, and it is a phenomenal course. It has really changed my art for the better, to where I'm doing exhibitions, I'm doing workshops, so I would really like to thank Molly Artistry. I'm having trouble deciding which one is my favorite. I would have to say it's the vermilion and cobalt blue and yellowish green base. Before I leave, definitely check out my solo exhibition at the Creative Arts Center of Dallas, and I will be having an opening reception on October 24th. I will have the details below. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Until next time, guys, stay safe. Bye.